It's water.
But water doesn't come from the wood card.
Must be from the other card.
What's that? You mean there's another card?
Yeah.
That must be it. It's the rain card.
Rain card?
That explains why the wood card's stronger than usual. It's being fueled by the rain card. Get it, Sakura!
Right. Okay, camera's rolling. Rain! One! This has gone far enough. Looking good.
Hey, Sakura, heads up!
Hey, you know, this isn't so bad.
Sakura, it's just toying with you. Seal it right now!
I'm trying! It's too fast!
Sakura! Cards can draw power from other cards. Use the water card against it!
Oh yeah, the water card! Water card! Holy sadness! It's working! Water card! Form a sphere around Ray!
Yeah, you got it!
Turn to your power confined! Rain card! Great capture! Thanks, guys. Just one more thing left to take care of. You're next!
Whoa, hold on!
Huh?